In business, if your per day sales is 10,000 rupees for shops or 1 crore rupees per year turnover for a company, you have a same team, same system, same efforts, same skills, and your next year revenue generation will be more or less same. In business, these 10,000 rupees or 1 crore is the result of what you did. If you keep on doing the same thing, the results you get is same. You cannot expect different results by doing the same thing. For example, for a plate of meals, there will be a certain quantity of salt, spice, oil, etc. Without changing the ingredients with the same ingredients, can you change the taste? Yes, by just changing the quantities of same salt, spice, oil, etc. If you slightly deviate the quantities of proportions of oil, spice, and salt, the taste will be changed. Without changing the ingredients with the same ingredients, the taste can be changed. Means you can expect a different result. Same way in business, you can expect improvement by changing the inputs. Inputs are system, team setup, skills, effort, directions, etc. Most of the businesses just pressurize, give meaningless push to the team for a better result. To upgrade the revenue, you have to upgrade the team, skills, efforts, directions, etc. By adopting these different methods, you can expect a different results. Simply pressurizing or pushing, you cannot expect a different results. You can expect a different results by doing the same thing is only producing the babies. Except producing a babies, every result will be the same by doing the same thing. For giving birth for different babies, you need not to keep on changing that same thing. You can still do that same thing, you will get the different babies. Business is not like producing babies. Continue to watch next on World Laughs at When They Don't Understand. World laughed at Einstein, Jobs, Musk, etc. because they didn't understood what they are doing. A man privately stood at his terrace nakedly. Neighbor accidentally saw it and started laughing at his appearance. After few weeks, the whole neighbors were at dermatologist clinic for a skin problem due to water infected in that locality, particularly at last month, and everyone got infected with skin disease. Only that naked man didn't got the skin disease because he was curing that during morning sunlight, standing nakedly, which was a healing process or prevention. Here comes when that neighbor laughed at this man because they didn't understood what he was doing. Same here in society, if you plan to construct the new business which is first time in the world, it may look funny or people may criticize at you or laugh at you, but you should not get disturbed with it and continue to achieve what you wanted to build. When a first Bluetooth was used by first user, people started staring at him why he is talking alone. Now everyone understood that inventions happens like that because it's first time for the world. You have to be prepared for these reactions. If world is laughing, then you are doing something new. All the best for your new is few in this world. Continue to watch next on why are you comparing your chapter 3 to someone else chapter 27. You opened your business 10 years ago. Someone opened the same business just 2 years ago, and now that business is doing well in a short span, and your business is not doing well, and your business is not reached to that level, even you are doing it from 10 years. This is called comparing. It's not even competition. Competition is a healthy way of seeing business, not cursing it. This comparison itself is a curse for your business. You have to compare your business only with previous performance of your own business. Did your business did 1 inch better than a previous value? Then it's going good. That 2 years old business is doing better than your 10-year-old business because you were fresh for your business 10 years ago. That too came from a different skill set. They suffered a loss before 2 years somewhere else under same business carrying the experience of more than 10 years, and they learned from their own business. Now it may look only 2 successful years, but behind that they carried a lot of baggages of experiences, suffer, loss, mistakes, learning, etc. They started seeing the results now. What about similar business, which is opened after you opened and which is closed before you? Now you stand in better position, right? Understand one thing in business: everyone are traveling in their own timeline. Do not compare yours chapter 3 to someone else chapter 26, 27. Believe that still your business is at perfect position where it is a dream of others. Want to improve, upskill, upgrade, revise the systems, apply latest mechanism, develop brand, do great things at your current chapter. Comparing with others chapter is a foolish thing. Continue to watch next on. When there is a bad phase or time is going on, means something better is going to happen. If your company is doing well, you are happy, right? Why should you think of improving it? You think of improving it only when it's not going well, right? When planning to improve is a good idea, that means your business is not going well. It is also a good thing. Because of that itself, you will plan to improve. Starbucks was under loss, and when they reconstructed the business model, then it went skyrocket. Imagine if they are not under loss and going average. By this time it would have been an average company or a single cafe or a closed brand. When there is a bad time or bad phase going on, means the major changes is going to happen. That major changes either improving it or closing the company. Bad phase is indication that something wrong in your engine. If there is no indication, your engine might have been seized, right? Bad time in a company is alarm for you to enter to the new phase of your company with new beginning, restructure, etc. Do not curse the bad time. Bad time is a time to change. It's just Bad time is just one of your business model didn't work. Replace that model or restructure it. Implement the better strategies. Let the whole team, till the last person, drive towards the progress. How every person in your company drives as it is their own company when you give them also a ownership. If you try to behave as your own company and you are the boss, then say hi to the loss. Change is the way to change the angle of progress of your brand. Let's wish the bad time or bad phase appear to your company, then only you will change and start improving it. Continue to watch next on. Don't party to enjoy. Success meet, party. Target reached, party. Feeling happy, party. Launched new business, party. You party to enjoy. Don't do it if you want to become a businessman. If you are a businessman, you do not do party to enjoy. You do party to make connections. You attend to the parties seeking new connections. You party to make series of collections of connections for your network. You do not concentrate on quality of drink, kind of food, buffet, etc. You hold a wine glass for a posing sake. You sip it rarely in front of new connection, making them also to feel you are also involved in drinking. Make comfort them. You will manage to maintain a single glass throughout the whole party, which keeps you steady to generate the new leads. You have to attend the party for leads. Marketing doesn't happen B2B. It's P2P, personal to party. You need not to relax in a party. Big giants attends party to establish. Visit the expensive places so your contacts will be in a top level. You have to give party to your team to enjoy and keep them motivated and stay happy by enjoying culture. But you should get exposed to the upper society. Deals do not starts from presentations, it starts from introductions, and you have to pay the bill as a token of honor. Do not invite them to office immediately after one party. Your one party should open the door to second party. In second or third party, your relationship will grow. Else you will look too commercial if you immediately invite them after a single party itself to avoid the expenditure of the party, etc. Don't do those cost saving cheap things. If you need connections and relationships with a big giant, keep on giving parties to parties for a genuine people, and then establish a relationship in a party. So that has to convert from personal to professional. If you can't afford the third party or fourth party, please go for the first party to chill and relax. What plans tonight? Continue to watch next on what you have to do and what you have to outsource.